Hi guys, my name is Robert Barry. Welcome to my channel. If you're watching this video at any point in time, I wish you an awesome day. Right? So today guys, this video is going to be about why Robert Barry decided to join $25 1Up. Also, I'm going to give you some of the benefits that are attached with this business model, with this opportunity, right? And so just before I get into the nitty gritty of why I decided to shoot this video today, I just want to take you guys over to my back office where you guys would see that I have made over 600 bucks passively with this income stream. And one of the main reasons why I'm shooting this video today is because I want to put a video out there to show you guys that if you follow the training that is in the back office of this opportunity, you guys would find yourselves in profit mode and also assisting other people or other persons out there change their lives, right? And so I'm going to share with you guys later on in this video the very powerful concept of the $25 1Up opportunity. So right now I'm going to take you guys in the back office so you can physically see some of my income proof. Alright, so guys, I had to pause the video because on this very page you are able to see all of my teammates' personal information, and so because I need to respect the privacy of my team members, I had to minimize the screen and just show you guys the income proof, right? And so we're in the back office of my $25 1Up office. And so if you guys can just focus, you can see that I have multiple $25 commissions coming in, which is at the gold level. I have multiple platinum level commissions coming in, which is 100 bucks, and so I can make unlimited $100 commissions. I can make unlimited $25 commissions, as you guys can see here. 25 bucks here, 25 bucks here. I have $100 coming in here. I have another $100 coming here, another $100 coming here, another $100. And as you guys can see, multiple $25 commissions, right? And so the gold membership is the $25 level. The platinum membership is 100 bucks, right? And that's the platinum membership, right? So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of my income proof, and by showing you guys a little of my income proof, you guys get to see that the training that is in the back office of this opportunity, once applied, it does work. It only takes one ingredient, and that is taking consistent action, right? So I'm now going to take you guys over to our Facebook group so you guys can also see it's not only me, but I have other team members that are going ahead applying the training, and they too are also winning. So I'm going to take you guys over there. Alright, so welcome back guys. Right now you are in the Facebook group of $25 1Up. This is our income Facebook group where we have prospects and members all in one grouping, and members are posting their daily income proofs. Now, just before I go through and I show you guys some of the proof, I want to pause for a second and just focus on some of the benefits that are attached with the $25 1Up opportunity. I want to show you guys what brought Robert Barry into this opportunity. Now, I'm a part of a few online opportunities that are out there, and many of those opportunities are prescription based, right? Meaning that I have to pay a fee at the end of every month to be an affiliate of that company, right? The fortunate thing, or one of the good things that with this opportunity is that there is absolutely no monthly fees. So if you're a newbie, you don't have that headache at the end of every month, at the end of every week. You are finding the funds to maintain your business or your subscription, right? And so that is the main thing that drew me into promoting this opportunity. The second thing is that there are multiple ways of you collecting your money. However you decide to collect your money, your commissions, it is totally up to you. And we have members that are using PayPal. We have members that are using Zelle, Cash App, Square, you name it. There are multiple ways to be paid. However you wish to collect your funds, it is possible with $25 1Up business model, right? Thirdly, the pay is instant, right? And so if Maria decides to join with Robert at the gold level, of course, you would have to pay a $10 hosting fee, which goes to the admin, and that is for the upkeep of your back office, right? It's the fee that one would pay for the system to keep track of all of the persons opting into your page, your landing pages, your capture pages, etc. It also is payment to allow you to run all of your marketing, right? And so the $10 she would pay for the hosting fee, and then the initial $25 to unlock the gold membership, right? And so the minute she hits payment is done, I would have instant access to those funds, right? And that is very, very powerful, because in a lot of my other businesses, I have to wait sometimes 2 weeks, sometimes at the end of every month to be able to collect my commissions. And I think the instant pay is very powerful, right? Right. And so another factor that really drew me in is because when you join a lot of these businesses, they don't give you the full scope, or they don't make it as easy as possible for non or newbies to understand. You know, they speak in these very extensive network marketing dialect, and with $25 1Up, it is very simple. A newbie, intermediate, a veteran can get in, dive into the training, and you're understanding the real way to market. You're understanding the language, and that makes it even easier, especially for newbies. So anyone that I introduce to this business, I let them know that this is very, very, very newbie friendly. And we have so many newbies that are joining this business every day, and some of them are making commissions within the first 24 hours, within the first 48 hours, and they're coming into a leadership role, because a lot of these persons are bringing in a lot of team members and recruiting and exposing so many people to this very, very easy copy and pasting of making an extra or a full-time income online. Up to the time of recording this video, this company has paid $1.5 million, right? That's $1.5 million in paid commissions, right, to its members directly and passively. That is very, very, very powerful, right? And so at this time now, guys, I want to show you guys a little bit of what our members and some of my teammates are doing up to this point, right? And so we have Lisa Santos. And as you guys can see here, Lisa is showing a $25 commission going straight to her PayPal account. And if you look very closely, Lisa has made over $1,900 leveraging this business model in a very, very passive way. So I am close to hitting 2K with $25 1Up. I earned $25 the other day with this solid and proven system. Following the training guys in the system, and you too can earn $25 to $1,000 per sign up, right? And so you guys are eligible once you go all in, or whatever product level that you are on. You are able to earn up to that point. And so for persons that are at all in, those guys are able to make from $25 to $1,000 per sign. That is powerful, right? So 3 signups a week would give you $3,000 instantly, right? And I think that is very powerful. So big shout outs to Lisa. She's crushing it. She's a leader. She's an awesome person. So big shout out to her, right? Okay, so here we have another member, right? So as you guys can see, between June 12, 2020 and June 14, this member has made an all-time of $175, and I think he's up to 325 now between June 11th and June 15th, right? That's pretty awesome. His business is going to continue to grow because he is going to follow our training that is in the back office, right? Here's another member between March 27, 2020 and June 22nd. He is at the all-time of $350, right? Here's another member. Okay, that's right. So we have another member. He had $175 day. He has made $1,500 passively all time. And guys, when you join my team, there are special bonuses that I give you that helps you to automate your business, right? And so instead of you being online and you're trying to figure out what you do, what am I going to post, what am I going to say, because I have a lot of teammates that come to me and say, oh, Robert, I don't have any results to leverage. I give you tips and tricks that you can use, not being dishonest, because I always try to be ethical in anything that I do, and I believe in showing people the right path and teaching them how to fish so they too can go ahead and teach others, right? And so we're going to be honest, we're going to be ethical and in everything that we do. So like I said, guys, if you guys are out there and you're looking to make some extra income online, my website link is going to be at the very bottom of this video. I think that is everything that I intended to cover. Please, if you guys have any comments, any question, I encourage you to leave all of your questions, your comments at the very bottom of this video, right? And so that's it for today, guys. If you guys want to partner with me and get all of my bonuses, you can go ahead. I'm also going to leave my Facebook link where you guys can reach out to me, right? I'm also going to leave my $25 1Up opportunity link. If you guys want to get started with me, I will be more than welcome to answer any questions. Welcome you to the team. My name is Robert Barry. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on another video shortly. Peace out.